Welcome guys, my name is Pedro and today we are going to be learning your first steps in crypto, your must-know tips for beginners investors. So I hope you are excited. Now, before we start, my name is Pedro and I'm an expert in the online school MoneyFest, where we help people start making their first money in crypto. So I recommend you to watch until the end, to give it a like and to subscribe if you are looking for more content like this. Now, with all of that said, I also recommend you to be subscribed because on October 24th, only for YouTuber subscribers, we are gonna make a free online stream where we are going to teach you how a beginner can start making over 2,000 rands per day using cryptocurrency. So guys, be subscribed because on the 24th of October, you will need to be subscribed if you want to come to this live stream for completely free. So I recommend you to be subscribed. Now, with all of that said, guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to know, okay, the first step to start making money on crypto would be, of course, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Obviously, you need to understand the basics to be able to go through in crypto. Now, what is cryptocurrency and what is blockchain? Well, in a nutshell, we can say that cryptocurrency and blockchain are basically like money that in the past we used to use like gold and silver, and then we realized that it was not convenient and we started using dollars, we started using rands, we started using euros, and then, well, nowadays we live in the digital world. So now crypto is the evolution of that money. Now we have the money of the future, the next level of money, that would be crypto. So that's what cryptocurrency is. And blockchain is just the system on which all of this is built. It's a group of blocks that are all connected for all the transactions that allow, well, basically everyone to be able to work with blockchain. It's just a system that is very safe and that allows cryptocurrencies to work. So, understanding the basis of crypto is the first thing that you need to do, but it's not the only one. The second step would be researching and choosing reliable exchanges. Now, in crypto, to buy cryptocurrencies, you need to go to an exchange. This is the place where you can buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies. There is a lot of exchanges, okay? If you're from South Africa, maybe you know about Luno. If you're from other places, there are others that are more popular. But in general, we always want to go to the biggest and most reliable exchanges in the world. Like, for example, Binance. Binance is the #1 exchange in the world by far. It has all the volume and, well, it's probably the place where you should go. Now, still, there's other exchanges that we can use. There's plenty of them. We will discuss more about them actually on the stream on the 24th, so I recommend you to come check that out. But in general, we want to go to reliable exchanges. We don't want to go to a small exchange. We don't want to go to Luno because it has very few cryptocurrencies. There's not many to choose. And we want to go to those that feels us comfortable, that have been there for a long term. Okay, we already know where we want to go, but now how do we start? Well, it is very important, guys, okay, that you need to develop a clear investment strategy. You need to follow some steps to be able to buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Because if you just buy without knowing what you are doing, you're going to do completely the opposite. So it's important to have a clear investment strategy. This can be understanding if you are buying based on technical analysis, on computer analysis, on fundamentals. But what you need to make clear is that you have a plan that you are going to be following to get the results that you're looking for. Because if not, you just won't get them. So you need to develop a clear investment strategy. Okay, what else? Well, another important point is you need to diversify your assets to minimize risk. What does this mean, Pedro? Well, if we have all of our eggs in one basket and we go running, well, if we lose the basket, if the basket goes down, all of the eggs are gonna get broken, right? We don't want that. That's why there is this concept of putting your eggs in different baskets. Now, if one of those baskets fall, well, we still have 5, 6, 7 more that will do okay. So don't put all your money in just one thing. Maybe you can buy some Bitcoin, maybe you can buy other coins, some altcoins, you can diversify. Don't keep all your money in just one conviction coin, because if you just put all your money in one coin and that coin doesn't do good, well, then you get poor results. So if you diversify, you can do much better, you can get much better results. So diversifying assets to minimize risk would be the next step that you should do. And the last important tip is stay informed and tracking crypto news. Well, the crypto market, same as any other market, move based on news a lot. It's very important to understand if some country is legalizing Bitcoin, if some country is allowing you to use Bitcoin to buy and sell things well, on the day-to-day basics. If I don't know, if the spot ETFs are approved, for example, last year we saw great news that pushed the market based on news. If someone is talking about Bitcoin, all of these things will move the market. We need to understand where the market is going, and for that we need to understand what is going on in the crypto market. Now, all of this sounds very good, but if you still have any doubts, if you want to go more in depth, I recommend you guys to come on the 24th of October, because as I told you, there I'm going to show you how you can make 2,000 Rand a day with crypto, the safe and easy way. So note it down on the 24th of October on the channel at 7 p.m. If you are subscribed, because it will be for subscribers, you will be able to learn all of this much more step by step and with a plan, so you can start making 2,000 Rands a day, sorry. So I recommend you to mark down the date, mark down the time, click a like if you like the video, and of course subscribe so you can join us on that day. You can come and you can learn exactly how to start making money on crypto with us. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, again, give it a like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!